Well, hello everybody. The room that I am in is quite cold, to be honest. Today didn't really have many interesting things happen. Like, speech class was normal. She just told us, hey, work on it. Then she left and had a substitute for the rest of the day because she was out working with the middle schoolers. And so we just went into the room, like by our classroom, and filmed a few things. And I wrote a bunch of scripts. And it was productive, sorta. When I was looking for news articles, I found out that the Family Guy fandom couldn't take a simple death of a character because it made it onto, like, all of the news, like the front page. When in pretty much every single episode show, if a character dies, everyone's all like, oh, that character died. Oh well. In Bible, our Bible teacher had like a sore throat, so he couldn't really speak, so we got a student to read a paper for him today, and it was an interesting day. It was different than usual, but I wouldn't say that it's a bad thing, but it's like if this happened every day, then it would get kind of old pretty fast. Then in language, we just sorted our To Kill a Mockingbird stuff, and we finished the movie, and we had a quiz, or test, or it was a quiz, on an Edgar Allan Poe. Sorry, people get all mad at me when I said Edgar Allan Poe for whatever reason. Why not just simply correct me instead of going, like, that's wrong, you're so stupid. I don't know, man. It's tough these days. Then during lunch, little tiny fields happen, but nobody knows about them except for one person. And he hasn't told anyone yet, even though it's only been a few hours since I told him. And by that I mean like a few days, but it's been only like one day of school. So that's what I'm considering. Thank you, sir. Thank you for not telling anybody. Then in art class, we took the day off, sorta, and instead of working on our eggs for our project, we just worked on ornaments for a Christmas tree. And that's all we did today. We did a ton of ornaments, and that was all of our class. We took little golden ornaments, like tape a thing to them and put glitter on them, and that was pretty much it. Maybe like painted a little bit of gold and silver on it to make it creative. It didn't really work like that. And then in math, she gave us like a really easy worksheet to do. Like, it was like a pattern thing, and we had to find the patterns of the maths. And a few of them were very simple. One of them was very hard, and it was after you finished, it was all like, yeah, you could do whatever you want for like the next 50 minutes that you had in class, because the paper only took like 10, and it was a really nice class. But math is usually nice because we always do something similar to that, except by similar to that I mean easy homework and all day to do whatever you want. So I personally like math class, and I'm going to miss it next semester when it's gone, because I won't have a relaxing class at the end of the day to relax with. So that's going to be very depressing. Now, today was Monday, so goodbye, but before I leave, tomorrow is going to be a different day because it's only a half day, because it's the last day before Thanksgiving break. So tomorrow is going to be a very different day. I'm going to be talking about very different things, because we're not really having any of our classes tomorrow, because instead we are doing something else. So today is the last school day until next Monday. Goodbye, everybody, and thank you all for watching. I hope that you will watch tomorrow's video, because it will be different, and it will break the chain a bit by talking about normal school things. Instead, I will be talking about games and stuff, because that's what we're going to do tomorrow. We're going on a retreat, and we're playing games with other people, which, yay, that should be interesting.